Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa taste good step by step. Start by rinsing quinoa thoroughly to remove bitterness before cooking. Toast the grains briefly to unlock nutty aromas, then simmer gently with a 1:2 ratio of quinoa to water. Finish with a 10-minute rest off heat to fluff. These simple steps build a better base for any flavor direction you choose. In this video, I will show how to make quinoa taste good step by step. Season the cooking liquid early so salt infuses every grain as it cooks. Swap water for vegetable or chicken broth for instant savory depth. After resting, stir in a splash of lemon juice or vinegar to lift the flavor and balance richness. Small touches like garlic powder, smoked paprika, or fresh herbs make quinoa sing. In this video, I will show how to make quinoa taste good step by step. Think texture and contrast by folding in toasted nuts, seeds, or crispy shallots. Add roasted vegetables, sautéed mushrooms, or beans to create a hearty salad or bowl. Finish with chopped fresh herbs, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of flaky salt to amplify aroma and mouthfeel. These layers turn quinoa into a craveable dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.